This is the cable car in the Toronga Zoo in Sydney, and we've been here for 3.5 hours walking around everywhere, and we're very tired. So we got the cable car.
It's amazing experience.
To take us back to where we started.
It's amazing experience. I never experienced. I've been here 17 years in Australia. First time I experienced. Yeah. Yoo-hoo. What's amazing.
Goodbye.
One of the best country of the world, Australia. Yoo-hoo.
I came here in 1963 when I first came to Australia, and I haven't been back since. And I don't think I'll be back again.
Wow.
Show the zoo.
Zoo. Oh, look at that.
Australian
Zoo. We just came from the zoo. Wow, amazing.
Zoo.
Yoo-hoo.
Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you, Lord. Oh, wow, wonderful.
Like going through the Australian jungle.
So, and in opera house, there's an opera house there, the back, in my back, opera house.
Yeah, Sydney.
We just came from there. Oh, wow, wonderful. The animals
so
that
what we see over here is the city, and
yes.
we've got Sydney Harbour Bridge, like the big coach again.
Sydney, Australia. Look at Sydney, Australia.
And then we got the opera house.
What, opera house?
Opera house in between them trees there. And
Harbour Bridge.
the Sydney.
It's wonderful. Oh, well, look, wonderful.
The Sydney skyscrapers have been
So it's amazing.
popping up the last few years.
Yes. Wonderful.
So this is the Toronga Zoo, and we're on. There's the elephant down there.
Oh, that's a big elephant.
Yay.
Look, a huge elephant. First time I've seen elephant for the first time. Wow.
And he's 50 years old, and they expect him
50 years old.
Yeah, and they expect him to live to 100 because he's happy. It's a happy chap.
So wonderful. Look at that.
I think it's a girl. Anyway.
Thank you, Lord, for a great experience.
It's a girl elephant.
It's a great experience.
And we
it's
had
a blessing.
Giraffes. We've seen on the television that the giraffes, they had a baby giraffe, and it stood up straight away.
Yes, yes. Give me son, Joshua. Let me see if what you can say, son Joshua. This is your first time, isn't it?
Yeah, it was okay. It was cool.
What else?
It was alright.
It's alright.
What did you like
Wonderful.
best? What did you like best?
His
birthday coming soon.
The lemurs. No, the small.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your birthday is coming soon, so this is an advanced celebration for 16 years of birthday of our son Joshua. Yay! Bye bye.